morning. Today is Monday, the 4th of April. Whoa. Can't speak. I am just getting ready to go shoot some content with a friend. I'm mainly helping her, but then I was like, I may as well just like put an outfit together and also, you know, get content. I might just fast forward this.
Funky rhythm, if I want it, I go and get it. My blood thicker than water, we up like a zipper. My jeans seems got ashes from the plane. I'm elevating and crashing in the bed, but instead I hit my rooftop and watch the world go, penning this shit inside my journal. Look up at the stars as I burn slow. Head to the Ville over by Strauss. We in the house with the herbo as I throw on my starter. Once my ignition start up, it's go time, and we ain't even.
We're gonna get pics of Amelia.
Look at show the YouTube. Chairs are. It's got a really
What
Italian
chairs?
vibe, and there's
yeah.
we walk down there after. It's so cute here, and they've got like little
super
yellow
nice. I love
umbrellas.
Tube again.
Oh yeah, good. Hello.
Oh, this light is so good.
I had a feeling it would be.
It's
here,
really
'cause it's, like, in
good.
the shade.
A oatmeal beauty cappuccino for.
Yum yum. We are finished shooting.
Yum, this is so good. Did you get coffee in yours? So yummy.
Did you get coffee in yours?
No, but I thought I heard him say espresso
Really?
on yours. I don't know.
No.
Maybe he was also
Well, he
calling
said
you Celia.
Celia.
He was also calling you Celia.
And then I go,
And then you go
Cynthia,
Cynthia,
and
and
he's
he
like,
goes Celia.
and I was like, oh,
He's like, your
okay.
name is Celia, okay? I want to take a little selfie.
No. This is what I'm wearing today, and this is what I shot. I'm wearing these really cool shoes. Why am I breaking out so much? I have no idea. Nice pimple there. Anyways, I just made dinner. It's pretty simple. I just was like real tired. Rice, rocket, carrot, and tuna. I don't know why I'm breaking out so much. Anyways, it's all good. Good morning, guys. It's around 7:30 a.m. and I'm just getting ready. I have to go for a casting for Fashion Week, which I'm really excited about because I've never done a casting for like Australia Fashion Week. My agency was like, for this brand, they were kind of, I was like, oh, what should I wear? Like thinking all black. And they were like, you know what, like this brand is like fun and colorful, so like goes crazy if you want, or a bit extra. And I'm unsure about this fit now, but I'm just trying things on really quickly. Okay guys, whoa, my face looks so shiny. So I've gotten dressed. I ended up getting out of that red skirt just because it always like comes up, and I've just gone with something, I know it's a bit more simple, but then I've got like these really intense shoes, if I can show you, like that. And then I've got my little bag here, which has my iPad, a book, change of clothes, and also shoes. And I think I might also take flats with me as well, just because I'm hoping that, so I've got essentially 3 meetings. I've got that, and then I've got to go to the Iconic beauty event, and then I've got to go into my agency. So yeah, I might take flats as well. Anyways, I need to leave pretty soon. I'm unsure if I should put on some makeup, but my face is already so sweaty. So I've kind of gotten to the casting place, except I don't know where it is, and I'm in this like industrial area, so I'm a bit like, I've got a bit like quite a bit of time to find it, but still I also just a bit short for time as well, so yeah, wish me luck. I'm all done with the casting. I think I did all right, except super annoying. I know this is gonna sound super random, but I have this water bottle and I've been losing literally all my water bottles recently and my umbrellas, and I like lost it. I don't know, but I was like looking all over for it, but just couldn't find it. But yeah, just called an Uber because now I have to go to this event. And because also, side note, when I was on the train, I completely stuffed up. Like, I thought that because I looked at the time of when the train would arrive and it said 9:04, but we actually, maybe I got on an earlier train or something like that, but we actually ended up getting to the suburb I was supposed to get off at way earlier, and I actually missed my stop and then had to get another train and then come back. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit like ugh at the moment.
These beauty products to give you a 360 experience when you're using the skincare.
So we just saw Miranda Kerr.
I know, she's sitting right here.
Right here, right there.
I was in awe. I was like,
She was
I was listening
amazing.
to everything she was saying.
We also didn't realize how like full on this event was gonna be. Like,
Yes, yeah, I like came in, I didn't even brush my hair this morning, I was doing my makeup in the car, so chill, and then it was actually so intense, and I was like, oh, I feel really, it's really good, and she tried it out.
I've quickly come home, gone change into this because now I need to go to my agency for a casting as well. Busy day. Whoa. I am on my way to this event for guests this morning, and my makeup is like coming off because it's hardcore raining. Guys, I'm in Brisbane. My friend Brayden picked me up and they're forcing me to watch Drag Race. And we're just about to have dinner. And this cat is a bit evil. Good morning, guys. It is 5:15 right now. I look so tired. I've just woken up, obviously, and I'm just getting ready for work. Call time is 6 a.m. But at least it's not too far. Feeling a little tired. Hey guys. Why does everyone do the face sign? Whenever, you put a camera up, everyone's like, well, I kind of look like a crazy person. We are heading home to get ready for Tarte x Sephora event, and this is Brayden's first event. Actually, I know what I'm gonna name it. It's gonna be taking my friend to an event.
It's so lame.
How are you feeling, Brayden?
I can't wait for the free stuff.
Be careful.
I can see.
Don't hit the car, damn. Then I'm gonna have to let you go. This is where the magic happens.
Yeah, with my concealer.
Oh wow.
Movies on my phone. Whenever I want, I turn it as loud as it goes. 'Cause when nobody's home, I'm the king of everything. I'll make the rules up on my own. I can make them if I please. 'Cause I make up the police. And everybody's equal, but not me, 'cause I'm the king. I see all the other people tell me secrets in my dream. I wake up when they tell us to. If not, I'll stay with you. I'll take.
This is what we have so far. Looks good. All dressed up. Gorgina.
Guys, make sure you grab everything from the.
Have just arrived.
Pedal and pub.
Ah, really? No way. It was meant to be. Bad. I was like, oh, okay, good. Be merry and drink and enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's get it on. 1 second. I just want to say, I've never been to an event like this that so many people are still here. So it makes me feel really good. However, I think the staff want to go home, which is why they turned the lights on. Luckily, most of us don't have far to go, but I think it's time to get the fuck out of here. Hayden, how was your first event?
It was actually so fun. Like,
Was
I
it?
loved it.
Was
I really
it?
did.
Aww.
Yeah. I loved it.
And we made a new friend. Do you want to introduce our friend?
Hello. She needs no introduction, bitch. Come on. Look
This
at
is the
her.
one and only Millie.
Hey,
Hey. Hello guys, we are back home at Braden's place now, and I actually have to head off pretty soon to record a self-tape, and I'm just trying to like go through the lines. It's not too bad. Fuck. Just remember I need to grab something off Braden, but they're sleeping. I think their social battery is like dead. I've gotten ready guys for my audition. I've popped my wig on, done a bit of a lip. My Uber's here. Anyways. Hey.
The title of your video. What's it again? The title of your video.
Ooh.
Taking my friends to an event.
Yeah, I think we chose better things.
I think we did. Because we're actually genius.
In the car with my besties. Did you miss me? Oh gosh,
Can't even see
can't
her.
see her. That's the point. Hey guys, it's Saturday and I'm feeling kind of tired. I've been catching up with people, working, and today I'm doing a creative shoot with my friend Haley and some other people that we know, which will be really fun, but not gonna lie, I'm feeling really tired, and also had like some dramas with this thing that I had that I've lost, and I'm freaking out, and I'm just feeling just like shit, to be honest. But anyways, we're gonna head to the shoot, just walking there, and I'm wearing my favorite top. If you know, you know. And yeah. And we are done. Finito. Thanks guys for a great shoot. I look like a different person and I love it. Just taking off all my makeup. That shoot was so fun. And I love how just when you do creative shoot, just feel energized and like, yes, this is why I do this for. Hey guys, I just wanted to, actually I'll be back. I need water. I've got my water. If you've come this far, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video. I'm really excited to be back on YouTube, and I kind of feel like I actually watch a lot of YouTube and I love watching people's vlogs. I'm still undecided, or would definitely love to you know, include other kind of content, not just like vlogs and whatnot. So definitely comment down below if you have any ideas for me. Feel like with YouTube, it's because I don't know, you have Instagram, but it's very much so you just see a photo, you see a 15-second video of someone, whereas YouTube, I feel like you can be a little bit more authentic and kind of give people an insight into your life, and even like me showing you that my previous week, it's like so interesting because I didn't say this in the video, but like obviously all my content in 2020 I was living in Brisbane, and then started this year I just moved to Sydney, and it's honestly been like a bit of a roller coaster, like in a very good way. And I remember like, I don't know, there was like one afternoon and I was walking home and I was like, wow, I haven't felt this uncomfortable in such a long time. And also with me as a person, like I feel like so many people can probably relate to this, that I put so much pressure on myself, and especially within the industry that I'm in, that it's kind of like you're working for yourself. Just, you know, some ups and downs, or more so for some reason, not for some reason because I like know why, but very much so this period, at the start of the year, I felt like super anxious with how much change is happening. And it's kind of weird how the world is, I guess, slowly opening up, or more so in Australia, that, you know, people are able to travel and whatnot, and it feels like, you know, everyone's doing so much and whatnot, and including myself, like I've relocated, but there's kind of, I don't know, I've been feeling like this pressure to be living and whatnot. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, I really enjoyed doing that weekly vlog, and I think the most important thing to take away is that, like, as glamorous as things may seem, or kind of like doing these shoots and whatnot, like it's all like you know, I'm not feeling 100% all the time, and that's definitely something that, like, mindset wise, I'm working on. But yes, here is to consistency on here, and to more chats, because I love, you know, having chats and whatnot. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.